So today I'll be showing you how to block someone on TikTok. Now, the most important thing when blocking someone on TikTok is to go to their profile page. So you can either just find them on the timeline and then tap on their name, or they might have sent you a message in the inbox. Okay, and you can tap on their name from there. Just open the chat and tap on their name. That opens their profile. Whichever way you find them, or maybe you can even search. Okay, so from the home screen you can just go to the search function and find someone. Okay, for instance, I can just search using their name or username until I find their profile. So once you get to the profile of the person you want to block, what you need to do is simply tap on this little arrow here, or rather, instead of tapping on that small arrow, tap on this little arrow in the top right corner, and from the menu that pops up you should see the option to block. So tap on block, and then it's going to ask you if you want to block that user. Just confirm by tapping on block, and that user has now been blocked. So you aren't able to see each other's content. So they'll not be able to see your content, you'll not be able to see their content, and then also you'll not be able to send each other messages on TikTok. And that is basically how to block someone on the platform. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.